Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a Clausing 20-inch variable speed drill press, model 2276, serial number 20-533795, 208, 230 volt, 3-phase, single voltage because it's a 2-speed motor on there, all original paint. There's just a couple little minor nicks near the very center of the table. This is a fairly late model one, Morse taper number 3. That's an import drill chuck in there. It looks like it's probably a 5/8 capacity. Still has the original cardboard tag on the motor. This machine did not get used a whole lot. It was in a coal-fired power plant that got shut down under the environmental regulations. Show you all the handles on the other side. Now the height of the head can be raised or lowered. It's just the height it was out when we came in, but you can raise it up another 4 or 5 inches if you like. You can lower it down if you're a shorter person, but low speed, drop it down pretty low. Look at that, you can almost count the number of turns there. That's on low speed on the high speed. Then we go high speed on a high speed. That's running full speed, which depending on the motor speed is somewhere around 2,000 RPM, 1,500, 2,000 RPM. Go quiet, spindle's real smooth. There you have it. You can check this machine out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.